voters there. But as far as Smriti Irani's fresh attack on Rahul Gandhi is concerned, she is also taking over on the Congress over the Ayodhya visit, saying that it's a matter of vote bank just for the Congress when it comes to going to Mandir, and this time if there is a planned visit to Ayodhya.
अभी तक हम लोग अमेठी में मुद्दे ढूंढ रहे थे, अब हम कांग्रेस का प्रत्याशी ढूंढ रहे हैं। लेकिन हमसे कहा गया है कि आज वायनाड का वोट हो गया है, इसके बाद कांग्रेस के प्रत्याशी आएंगे, लेकिन पहले राम मंदिर को जाएंगे। हमने कहा भैया निमंत्रण राम जी का ठुकरा दिए, अब मंदिर जाएंगे क्योंकि उनको लगता है मंदिर जाने से वोट पाएंगे। मतलब कि भगवान को भी धोखा देने जाए। इसीलिए आज कहती हूँ कि जो इंसान को रिझाने के लिए भगवान से छल कर दे, वो हम सबका क्या खाक हो पाएगा। मैं तो कहती हूँ जो सच्चे मन से राम का नहीं, वो हमारे किसी राम का नहीं।
While coming back to you, Adib, on that, because Smriti Irani seems to be exuding confidence there, but in all likelihood, as there were previous reports suggesting that if Amethi, Rahul Gandhi again contests, and from Rai Bareli, if Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is chosen, then it remains to be seen whether the duo will be also going to Ayodhya to seek blessings.
Well, the reports which our sources are telling us right now is that the Gandhi duo are expected to visit Ayodhya Ram Temple before coming to Amethi and Rai Bareli. If they are coming to Amethi and Rai Bareli, the most likeliness they will be visiting Ram Temple. Remember how Congress declined the invitation of Pran Pratishtha, and after that BJP, the top leadership of BJP, including Prime Minister Modi, had been attacking Congress for declining the invitation. And now the Gandhi duo are planning to come to, if they are planning to come to Amethi and Rai Bareli, the sources are telling us they might visit the Ram Temple in Ayodhya. Smriti Irani, on the other hand, is very confident about the Amethi, and she has been attacking Rahul Gandhi. She said that now the polling has ended in Wayanad and the Congress candidate will be coming to Amethi. This is how Smriti Irani is attacking Congress.
All right, Adib, thank you very much for that update. Remains to be seen what happens later in the day when the Congress's next CEC meeting that will be taking place. In all likelihood, Rai Bareli and Amethi are to be discussed. Let's talk about Haryana now, because the Congress party's trouble seems to be mounting, where there are reports of infighting within the Haryana Congress. This is an inside scoop that we are picking up, where MLA Kiran Chaudhary seems to be unhappy with the Congress and miffed after ticket was denied to her daughter to contest the elections. Now, this has been as far as the Congress party's woes in Haryana is concerned. There are reports now of infighting, where a sitting Congress MLA Kiran Chaudhary was hoping that her daughter may get a chance to contest on a Congress party ticket. However, the ticket was denied, and there has in fact led to infighting within the Haryana Congress now. So dropping the name that has made the mother, or rather the MLA of the Congress party in Haryana, upset, and this may have led to infighting. In fact, when it comes to the concerns there of the MLA, that has been conveyed to a meeting of workers in Bhiwani to discuss the matter. We have Amandeep with us right now. Amandeep, what's happening within the Haryana Congress? Amandeep?
Well, absolutely.
Yes, go on.
Absolutely, Amita. The encapsulated list of Haryana Congress makes some leaders upset, and including them, one of is Shruti Chaudhary and Kiran Chaudhary. Basically, Shruti Chaudhary is contesting since 2019 from Bhiwani Mahendragarh seat, but this time the ticket has been given to Rao Dhan Singh instead of Shruti Chaudhary. This makes both mother and daughter upset. Mother is a very senior leader. Kiran Chaudhary is a very senior leader in the Congress party, and in fact, she is a sitting MLA also in Haryana itself. And in fact, today they have called a meeting among all the workers and the leaders from Bhiwani, and they will discuss the next step and next move. Though they both are very much upset, they were expecting the ticket for Shruti Chaudhary again in 2024, just because last time, 2 times she has lost the lost the constituency, and this time the ticket has been given allotted to Bhupender Singh Hooda's loyalist Rao Dhan Singh. That makes the embarrassing movement for Kiran Chaudhary and Shruti Chaudhary. So let's wait and watch how the meeting will turn up, just because the meeting has been conveyed by both mother and daughter, Shruti Chaudhary and Kiran Chaudhary, and they both will be discussed the scenario, political scenario in fact, of Bhiwani Mahendragarh seat, that how to support Rao Dhan Singh, either to support or sit silent in their homes. So this will be decided in the meeting. Yes, Amita.
All right, Amandeep, thank you very much for that update. So reports of a certain infighting differences within the Haryana Congress there. The Congress's trouble seems to be mounting. With that, we head into a short break. We'll be back on the other side of a very short break.